Tonight we're making Korean bulgogi on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making Korean bulgogi. I've never made Korean bulgogi, I've never had Korean bulgogi, but I'm damn sure it's going to be good. Anyway, this recipe is courtesy of Bon Appetit, guys. If you don't know what we do, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, come home with the stuff, and cook it. Simple as that. We've been doing it for over 100 days now. I think it's 103, 104. Coming along really well. It's a 365-day cooking challenge we're doing. We're also attempting a world record. See how many days we can cook a different dish off the internet without ever repeating. We've done it for 42 days or 43 days now, guys. We've actually done it for over 100, but I've only got proof for the 43. But anyway, guys, let's start with this. We're going to start with the marinade.
Korean bulgogi.
So we're going to start with the marinade for our beef, guys. So it tells us to put in a plastic bag at our pear. That's a quarter grated pear. Never used pear in a recipe before, but I'm sure I will again. We have a clove of garlic, a tablespoon of ginger, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of brown sugar. We got a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil. We'll get that busted up there a little bit. We'll chuck our beef in it. Let that sit for 30 minutes. Then we can get all the beef in the bag. Ooh, good job, buddy. Alright, well, we'll stuff it in the bag. That's really good, okay? Gotta like that. Anyway, now it's in the bag. Seal it up, squish the arrow, it tells us to. They're all mixed up. We'll let that sit for 30 minutes room temperature. Alright, guys, our beef is done marinating, so we're going to start this up. I got my pan heated up. It says to add ourselves a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and half our beef. So that's what we're going to do. Chuck in the pan. We're going to fry that for about 3 minutes, it says. So we're going to cook this in 2 batches so we don't overcrowd the pan.
I think this is going to be a good one, guys.
Welcome back, guys. Our bulgogi is out. It's looking good. I think it's looking good anyway, is what I can see in the picture. As I said, I've never had it before. I'm kind of looking forward to this. I do like Asian food. I've discovered that I actually really like Asian food. So every chance I get, I try and find myself an Asian dish, but you know, hey, whatever. Let's try some of this, see what I think of it. That beef's damn tasty. Wow. I like that. That's really good. I've never had it before, I said, guys. That's damn good. Jeez. Wow. Anyway, guys, we'll take a look at the date and time. It is Friday the 17th of April at 6:50 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores, Ontario. We will take a picture of that for our screenshot. Anyway, guys, if you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, anything you want to see me cook, throw in the comments. If you got any suggestions for other Asian dishes, I'd love to hear them. Check them in the comments, guys. Anyway, bye for now. See you next time.